Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to fix if you're getting this error, cloud version error. Example, I got a successful message after installing this command, but still I'm getting this error because we need to verify with this command. So I'm going to execute this command, okay. So cloud exe is there. Super cool. We got the successful message. So cloud is installed, okay. And we can execute this command as well. Yes, cloud is installed. So basically we need to set these environmental variables. So in order to do that right, the proper example, if you're directly executing this, you can set like this. Super cool. It's provided the cloud version, but it will be only until this PowerShell is open. If you're closing and reopening it, example, if I'm closing and PowerShell, I'm trying to enter cloud version, it will not work. So again, you can check like this. I mean, this is a temporary, but we need to set the environmental variables. So go to environmental variables. Okay, go to environmental variables and go to user variables, and here click on this path and edit and add new and add this row. Okay, add this row. You need to add this percentage user profile percentage backslash dot local backslash dot bin. So you need to add this and give OK, and then give again OK and OK. Now I'm going to close this PowerShell and reopen the PowerShell. Now I'm going to verify. Yes, now it's provided without any problems. So this is the way you can fix the issue on your for Claude version verification. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to my form. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.